Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making mixed pickles, Desi style. Let's get started. In a jar, add in your panch phoron and follow with your sliced veggies. Don't forget to add a little more panch phoron for that extra flavor. Next, let's begin making the pickling liquid mix. Add in your water, white vinegar, sugar, salt, and mix thoroughly. Begin to pour your liquid mixture into the jar of veggies. This needs to marinate for at least a week in the refrigerator, and then you can enjoy. Thanks for watching, and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays for new recipes. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Link is in the description.